Assalamualaikum everyone. Until we have discuss about how to differentiate a function which is given in the form of y is equal to f of x. So now in today's class we will discuss about derivative of implicit function, means how to differentiate a function which is not very clear, or we can say sometimes it will be a complicated function. So how to differentiate such type of function. So earlier we have discussed about the differentiation of the function y is equal to f of x. It is easily we can differentiate it by taking differentiation of y divided by dx with respect to x. Now suppose consider an example. Consider x minus y minus 5 equal to 0. So this is one function. You have to find the differentiation of this function. Here we have to take y separately. Then I'm taking this minus y on RHS side, then it will become plus. The remaining term is x minus 1, 5. So now it is in the form of y is equal to f of x function. We can differentiate it directly. Now suppose another function which is x plus sin x y minus y equal to 0. So in this function we can't separate term y because here we are having one trigonometric ratio sin xy. So the angle of this is sin x and y. We can't separate y term, so that we can't find directly differentiate. We can't differentiate it because we can't separate y. So how to differentiate such type of function? In today's class we will discuss about how to differentiate such type of function. This function is known as implicit function. Now I will show you some examples, then you will understand how to differentiate such type of function. Okay, write down example. Write example, find dy by dx. First example, find dy by dx. If find dy by dx if function is x minus y equal to pi. X minus y equal to 5. A function is given to you. You have to find the differentiate this. Write solution. First write given. Given, what is given to you? X minus y equal to 5. Name this one as equation 1. We have to solve this equation for y. We are solving this equation for y. So we can rewrite this as we can rewrite equation 1 as I'm taking this y on x equal to 5 minus y plus 1. Okay, I'm taking this minus y to RHS side, it will become plus. This implies we want to separate for y term. Y is equal to, I'm taking this pi on left hand side, it will become minus. So this one is equation 2. We wrote equation 2 in the form of y. We are solving here for y. Now differentiate this with respect to y. Differentiating equation 2 with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x minus d by dx of pi. So dy by dx equal to the differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. Okay, differentiation of pi is constant here. Differentiation of a constant term is always 0, minus 0. So this implies dy by dx as 1. Okay, now we can solve this alternatively. We can solve second method, right? Alternatively we can solve this as What is given to you? X minus y equal to pi. So this function is given to you. Differentiate this with respect to x. D by dx of x minus d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of y. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 minus this one is dy by dx is equal to differentiation of pi. Pi is constant here. Differentiation of pi is 0. So this implies I am taking this dy by dx here 1 equal to dy by dx, it will become plus, or we can say this implies dy by dx equal to 1. So in both this method we got dy by dx as 1. So this is a simple method, or alternatively directly we have differentiate. Here we wrote the given equation for solve the given equation solving for y, then we are differentiating, we got the answer. In both the method we got dy by dx as 1. Okay, this one is the first example. Now take another example. Find dy by dx if dy by dx is, you have to find if what is given to you. Okay, right, I will rub this. This one is simple example. Now take second example. In second example, you are having trigonometric ratio and along with the algebraic term, or you can say variables. Okay. Now write down. Define dy by dx if y plus sin y equal to y plus sin y equal to cos x. So here the function is, we are having function in trigonometric ratio sin and cos, but both are having different angles. Cos having x angle and sin is having y angle, and y is here variable. So now write given solution. What is given to you, right? Y plus sin y equal to cos x. So name this one as equation 1. Okay. Now differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we get differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we get differentiated d by dx of y plus d by dx of sin y is equal to y differentiation of y with respect to x, differentiation of sin y with respect to x, and differentiation of cos y with respect to x. Okay. Now differentiation of y with respect to y, it is dy by dx plus sin y differentiation with respect to, here sin x differentiation is cos x. Okay, but we are differentiating here, the angle is y, here we have to differentiate it with respect to x. That's why it will become sin y differentiation is cos y into, we are differentiation, now again we have to differentiate y with respect to x, dy by dx. This cos x is differentiation of sin x. Differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. That's why we are taking this term. Dy by dx is equal to differentiation of cos. See here, we are having y. That's why we have to take dy by dx. Here we are having x, and we are differentiating cos x with respect to x. So no need to write sin dy by dx. Fine. Just write minus sin x. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Okay. Now this implies here in these two terms we are having dy by dx common. We can take dy by dx common. What is remaining? Here we are taking dy by dx 1. 1 is remaining. Dy by dx we are taking 1 is remaining plus. Here in this term we are taking dy by dx. What is remaining? Cos y is remaining. Cos y is equal to minus of sin x. Okay. Now this implies we have to find dy by dx. This implies dy by dx equal to minus of sine x divided by whole divided by 1 plus cos x, where it is one condition y should not equal to 2n plus 1 into pi. Why we are taking here? Suppose n is 0. We can change n value as 0, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. Okay? So if we are taking n is 0, then it will become 2 into 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 into pi is 5, odd number of pi. Okay. And if we are taking n as 1, n equal to 1, then 2 into 1 is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 pi. If we are taking odd number of pi, then we can't get dy by dx as this value. That's why y should not equal to this term. 12 plus 1 into pi, then we will get this answer. So this one is dy by dx. Okay. In this example, we are having one algebraic term, or you can say one variable y, and two trigonometric ratio, both are having different angle and x and y. Okay. So this one is the second example. Now write third example. Now write down dy by dx if it is also easy if you know the differentiation of trigonometric ratio and differentiation of the algebraic term, etc., then you will get the answer. Find dy by dx if what is given to you? 2x plus 3y. If 2x plus 3y equal to sin x. Find dy by dx if 2x plus 3y equal to sin x. Okay. In this question, we have two variables x and y along with the constant 2, 3. Okay. And one trigonometric ratio sine which is having angle x. Now we have to find the dy by dx for this function. Now write first given. 2x plus y equal to sin x. Name this one as equation 1. Okay. Differentiating equation 1. Equation 1 with respect to x, we get differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we get differentiate equation 1. 2 into d by dx of 2 is constant. I am taking 2 outside, x plus 3 is constant, keep this as it is, 3 d by dx of y is equal to differentiation of sin x. Okay. Now 2 into differentiation of x with respect to x is 1 plus differentiation of y with respect to x, we got dy by dx. 3 into right dy by dx is equal to differentiation of sin x. Sin is the trigonometric ratio, sin x differentiation is cos x. Here we are having term angle x, we are differentiating this with respect to x. That's why just write simply sin x differentiation is cos x. Okay. Now 2 into 1 is 2 plus 3 dy by dx is equal to cos x. But we have to find the value of dy by dx. That's why I am writing here dy by dx is equal to cos x. I am taking this plus 2 on LHS side. We are having plus 2 on LHS side. I am taking this plus 2 on RHS side. It will become minus 2. Cos x minus 2. Okay. So this implies dy by dx as dy by dx equal to, the 3 is in multiplication on RHS side. 3 into dy by dx we have. But we want to find the value of dy by dx. That's why I am taking this 3 on RHS side. But here it is in the multiplication on RHS side. If you want to take this See here, it will goes the denominator of this term. Which term? Cos of x minus 2 divided by 3. These 3 and then multiplication on LHS side, it goes into denominator of on the RHS side. So this is the final d by dx value. Okay. It is also simple. If it is given in the form this form, then we have to write step by step. We have to find differentiation of x. We have to differentiate the given function with respect to x. Then we have to separate the term d by dx. Then we will get the value of finally we will got d by dx value. Okay. Now take another example. Fourth example. Find d by dx if what is given to you. Find d by dx if x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. Okay. In this example, both variable or algebraic term is given to you and one constant is given to you. In this example, we have two variable xy along with one constant. Okay, how to find the derivative of such function? See here, first write solution given what is given to you. X square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. Okay, name this one as equation 1. Now differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we will get differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we get differentiate the whole equation with respect to x, then we will get difference. First write here differentiation of first term x square term plus differentiation of xy term plus differentiation of lastly y square term is equal to differentiation of 100. Okay, now we know differentiation of x square is 2x because by using x raised to n formula, 2x raised to 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1. Okay, by using x raised to 1 plus here we are having xy term. How to differentiate? We are having the multiplication of two terms x and y and we have to differentiate it by using product rule. What's product rule? Keep first term as it is, differentiation of second. Differentiation of second is d by dx. Okay, plus keep second term as it is, differentiation of first term, differentiation of dx plus differentiation of y is y square is 2 into y raised to 2 minus 1 into, again we are differentiating y with respect to x, again one more term we have to write dy by dx is equal to differentiation of 100 is 0. So it is 2 x raised to 2 minus 1 is 1. No need to write, just right, plus x dy by dx plus y differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. So into 1 plus 2 y raised to 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, dy by dx is equal to 0. So here we are having 2x plus y into 1 is y. I am taking this plus y here plus x dy, rearranging this term. Okay, 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. 2x plus y, keep it as it is equal to plus, I am taking dy by dx common from these two terms. Okay, dy by dx into what is remaining, x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now we have to find the value of dy by dx. So just write dy by dx term first is equal to, I'm taking this here on this term 2x plus y on right hand side, it will become minus of 2x plus y. Okay, but we have to find the dy by dx value. So write separately dy by dx equal to, or I'm writing dy by dx into x plus 2y is equal to minus of 2x plus y. We have dy by dx into x plus, this one is x plus 2y is equal to minus of x plus 2y. Okay, now we have to find the value of dy by dx. That's why I'm writing dy by dx separately. This term x plus 2y is in multiplication with dy by dx on left hand side. If you want to take this term on the right hand side, then it will goes into denominator of this, means x plus 2y. Always remember, if you are having any two numbers or two terms in multiplication on LHS or RHS, and if you want to take separate one term, then the second term is goes to denominator of this term if in multiplication. If you are having plus or minus sign, then it will, the sign will change. If in addition or subtraction, the sign will change. If you are having plus 2, it will become minus. If you are having minus 2, it will become plus 2. But in multiplication, always remember that if you are having multiplication of these two terms, one term, if you want to separate one term, then the another should go into denominator of the denominator of the another RHS side. Okay, so this one is finally we got dy by dx value, or we can write this as the whole minus sign. We can write for minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2. This minus 2 is for numerator we are having, then it will be considered for both numerator and denominator. That's why I'm writing in the middle of this one. Okay, this is dy by dx. I have explained in today's example of the how to find the implicit function differentiation. I've taken 4 example in which we see that how to differentiate algebraic term or variable terms if you are having trigonometric ratio, and if you are having trigonometric ratio same but the angle is different, then how to differentiate it. Okay, so simply I want to say you that if you want to practice, if you want to solve more example based on this derivative of implicit function or any other subsection, but then you must have to practice on the regular basis. You have to practice each example 10 times daily. Today I have taken 4 examples. 4 example 10 times you can solve on the regular basis. Then you will be able to solve the many examples based on this. Just you are having different values, different algebraic function, different trigonometric ratios, or you can have logarithmic term also. So if you will be practice, then you can able to solve the example based on this. Because in mathematics we have lots of formula, lots of examples. Just method is same, just value will be different. The given function value will be different. Okay, so that's why you should have to practice regularly. Then you will be able to solve many examples based on this. So if you are having any doubt in today's class, or you are having some questions based on this and you will not find the answer, then you can send me your question. I will solve it and I will explain it inshallah. Okay, thank you all of you. Jazakallah.